Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be live trading London session again. I don't have a lot of time because I do have school tomorrow and I have an economics test. But like I said, we are gonna be starting every single video with a little Bible verse. So let's get into it. This one is in Proverbs 23, verses 9. Don't waste your breath on fools, for they will despise the wisest advice. If I go to compare and read another version, it says, "Do not speak in the ears of fool, for he will despise the godly wisdom of your words." For me, that kind of tells me that I shouldn't really be talking to fools in a godly manner with my wisdom from the Holy Spirit, because the fools will probably not understand what I'm saying and just totally despise it. So hopefully you guys can get something from that. Hopefully it speaks to you. But let's just get into what I see on the charts. I know it feels a little rushed, but that's just because I don't have a lot of time right now. But I still want to get in a trade for you guys. Um, Obviously, price action during New York was super bad, but right now at London Session Open, there is a high resting right here, which is the nearest drawn liquidity. It looks like we just came up to sweep this high on the 4 hour, and then on the 1 hour time frame, did break structure to the upside earlier, but we are probably going to get a little retracement candle. So I'm looking to take some shorts right now if we can get a good entry. 15 minute moving down. 5 minute, we do have a inverse fair value gap right here. Possibly if we can, oh, it's also a BPR as well. BPR, so we have a balanced price range right here, imbalanced price range. Hopefully if we can close right here and tap back into the BPR, I'm looking to take I'm looking to take some shorts. Um, yeah, we're just gonna wait to see what price wants to do. If we do see a blue up candle here, that means we are getting a 5 minute retrace. So I'll scale down to the 1 minute. I think I'm gonna stay on the 1 minute here. I'm gonna wait for the candle to tap into the BPR, and then I'm gonna short. So yeah. Again, guys, I will be willing to switch my bias because we are still in an uptrend on the 4 hour. So obviously we did sweep a high right here, but there's a 1 hour imbalance waiting. So maybe if we want to fill the imbalance more, then I will be willing to take longs. So kind of got a mixed bias here. Just got to be an observer of the market, wait to see what it wants to give us. Obviously, we're not getting the greatest retrace into this imbalance or the BPR resting right here, which means price might want to just fill this imbalance. We did sweep 15-minute liquidity, so I might want to just fill the imbalance and go up higher, and would be willing to take longs. So let's just wait and see. All right, guys, looks like we are filling this 1 hour imbalance right now, this bullish imbalance. So looks like we are kind of respecting it, so I might be willing to take longs. All right, what's up, guys? We are on the 1 minute now, looking to take some longs. We are tapping into consequent encroachment right now of this 1 minute imbalance. 5 minute looking just like a 5 minute retrace, like my normal little trades. We are kind of trading into this 5 minute imbalance, but 15 minute doesn't even look like an imbalance at all. It might close as one, but I'm not really worried about that. I'm not worried about trading into lower time frame imbalances because 1 hour we're in an uptrend, and if I shorted, which was my initial bias, I would be shorting right into this imbalance, and I just don't think that's the best idea. Maybe we want to fill it to consequent encroachment, but that's just too risky for me. 4 hour, yeah, we are sweeping these highs right here, but um, but we are in an uptrend, and that's just not the best choice to take. So that is my bias right now. Um, waiting for that 5 minute retrace, waiting for that candle close, and waiting to execute on the 1 minute, and then I'll be ready for an entry. Um, yeah, hopefully we don't get that entry glitch like last time. Okay, really ripping to the upside now. Let's see if we can find any SMT divergence on ES. Not really. Price is looking like the exact same thing. Let's see if we have anything on the 5 minute. Well, we're not closing with the 5 minute retrace. Alright guys, if we can inverse this 5 minute gap right here, that would definitely be huge. Um, treat it as, I'm also going to look on the 15 minute here, but I'm just treating it as a break of structure, you know, inverse for value gap to the upside, just giving me more confirmation that we're going to go higher. So that would be great. I'll do it live here. We got 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. And then if we do close above, I'm going to long because I have an entry on the 1 minute. Okay, I did not close above. Not long in yet. Hopefully this can be the 5 minute retrace candle. Maybe for a better setup. Might tap back into equilibrium or an order block. Okay, really ripping. Not sure if I should have taken an entry earlier, but we did not get the 5 minute retrace like I normally wait for. So, no entry for me. But we are finally going into this BPR, so we do get a reaction off that. Shorts, maybe? Probably not. I think we're just going to totally invalidate it. But imbalanced price range, BPR, very strong confluence. And looks like price doesn't really care. Oh, kind of interesting. We'll see. What are we looking like on the 1 minute? Pretty good price action. Pretty good longs on NQ. Okay, really moving to the upside here. Wow. Should have entered right here. Would have been a great trade. Unfortunate though. Knew we were going to go higher, but it's alright. Just always got to stick to your plan. If it's not in line with your bias, then, you know. Plus, we didn't even get a 5 minute break of structure, and I just feel like that's not enough confluence to tell me that we're going to go higher. So, yeah, we're just going to have to wait this one out. Well, we totally invalidated this BPR. I mean, like I said, we tapped into this hourly imbalance. I mean, I know price wants to go higher. It's just kind of weird right now because I'm not getting any entries on the 5 minute. I mean, I'm sticking to my plan. Could have entered off this beautiful entry on the 1 minute, but again, 5 minute did not break structure, and we did not get a 5 minute retrace. I mean, we're just totally ripping to the upside. This is ridiculous. Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's fast forward a lot. I did not record myself entering. That glitch happened again, but I did enter off of this candle right here, because we did get the 5 minute retrace. And I know it's a little late because I should have entered down here, but we are in an uptrend on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and I think price is going to continue to go higher. So my entry point was this invalidation of the BPR, and then tap into this fair value gap, scale down on the 1 minute. Basically entered off this fair value gap, was ready to take an entry, waited for a nice looking up candle instead of these little choppy doji candles. Currently edging the first take profit, but yeah, almost gonna hit the first take profit. I think we might be able to take it to the second or third possibly. If not, we'll get stopped out of break even, but that is fine with me because first take profit, usually you want to scale 25% to 50% of your position, so you will be left with some profits in the bank. So let's see if we can hit first TP here. Alright, first TP just hit. Glad we still found a trade for today. Okay, nice. Alright, guys, since we did hit TP1, I moved stops to break even. Got five more minutes before I head to bed. Um, but maybe we can just rip to the upside and hit TP1 before I go to sleep. But I guess I'll update you guys on this trade after. If you guys want to be updated on how the trade went last night on London session, your boy hit final take profit. Obviously the thing was glitched, but I bought right here, ended up selling right here because this was my final take profit. I'm pretty sure I took longs off this 5-minute retrace, so hit a nice little trade here. Might have been a 1 to 3, I think. So finally hit final take profit. By the way, look at this freaking market, guys. I mean, New York session was so bad today. I mean, a ton of people got stopped out. But man, lately London has freaking been killing it. So very glad to see that. Let's see if we can find anything on ES. Well, ES we're just ripping. I like to see that. So, okay, got 4 more minutes before I head to bed. Looks like we kind of are rejecting off of something right now, but hopefully we get more rips to the upside. Alright guys, we're currently ripping to the upside. Looks like we might hit TP2. Getting ready. Come on, stop edging. Oh wow. Just edged TP2. Okay, there we go. TP2 hit. Alright, nice, awesome trade, guys. Absolutely beautiful longs lately on ES. I mean, what am I talking about? On NQ London session. Love to see it. I love what London session is giving us. Everything is just looking so great. We're just ripping right now. So I will update you guys with recap after I go to sleep and I wake up. We'll see if we do hit TP3 and final take profit. This is just for a runner. I would have scaled off. I say 25% here, stops to break even. 25 here, so that's 50. Depending on my lot size and stuff, I think we hit TP3. I think I would just scale off most of the rest and just leave a few runners, maybe like 10% of it, but yeah. Alright y'all, another freaking beautiful banger trade. Praise the Lord. Obviously it's demo, but I don't even care if it's demo. Just the fact that I'm able to take these trades consistently, take winning trades and know what's going to happen and know what the market's going to do and act on what the market gives me and know when to enter. The fact that I'm able to do that on demo does tell me that I'm profitable and can be okay, not that I'm profitable, but can be profitable on a funded. It's just all emotions. It's all going to be based on how I act and how I feel and whether I trade with emotions or I do some dumb stuff on the funded. It's all going to be based on that. Like, I have the skills, I know what I'm supposed to do, I know how to execute, but it's just all psychology. If my psychology gets in the way and my psychology isn't, A plus, that's going to affect my trading and I might take some losses, some big losses and possibly blow the account. So I just got to focus on, having good psychology and doing smart things, nothing too stupid. Knowing when to take a trade, knowing when not to. So about to hit TP3. Was supposed to go to bed a few minutes ago, but once we hit TP3, I'm going to end this video because that's enough for me. Even TP2 could have been enough. But yeah, once we hit TP3, I'm going to end this video. And then I will do a little recap on it again and maybe let you guys know why I took this trade and if we hit final take profit. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna wait here. Maybe I'll get some music right as we hit it. Do not mind that. That's just the Discord that you guys should join, where I post all my videos. Join the Discord if you have not already. Young Zay is pretty tough. Boom, 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 boom. You go dumb. Fall. Oh my gosh, beautiful price action, bro. Now imagine I entered right there. Holy crud. Could have taken a. Oops. Could have taken a. Not gonna lie, beautiful, beautiful trade. Doesn't matter though. I'm taking a W trade either way, bro. If I entered off of this candle and I put stops, liquidity, final take profit, 1 to 5. Ridiculous. Could have taken that, truly, but you know, it's always better to wait for more confirmation and trade off of what the market gives you. Looks like we're just edging the third take profit here. Probably gonna hit the third take profit. So even though we didn't hit 2, this is the overall trade. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go to sleep, guys. But that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. Leave some comments. See you guys in another recap. Shoots.